Most healthy people don't know that buying term insurance, life insurance, through their work means they're getting the standard rate and paying more than they should. If you're healthy, you should check into buying your own life insurance policy privately. There also could be another good reason for this. If you don't have any tax-free income streams set up for retirement, for what we feel will be a much higher tax environment during your retirement, properly structured life insurance plans and Roth IRAs are the two main tax-free accounts that exist today. If you haven't planned for increased tax rates during your retirement, you could be making a huge mistake. I strongly suggest you read my book, at least the first couple chapters. It will aptly explain why I believe this and why you should prepare.